Hey guys, it's Prime Chief 119, bringing you some more cybertron.
Receptor, are you controlling this room remotely?
No. What do you mean?
The room is shifting.
I am noticing a strange power surge in your area. Could be related to the energon you redirected.
I don't like it.
I'm hearing the main door that leads to the flight deck.
Excuse me.
The power is out.
The schematic shows an access panel nearby. You should be able to force it open.
Help us! We need backup!
Everybody, shotgunner.
Anybody! If anyone can hear me, start screaming! Yeah!
If anyone can hear me, feel free to listen in as I execute your friends.
Starscream. Don't expect any mercy, Autobot. I wasn't offering any.
Bitch, please. You're messing with the fat ass,
No,
Optimus, what's going on?
I couldn't save them.
Remember the Ark. If we don't protect it, there's no future for any of us.
Of course, Preceptor. You're right. I'm heading to the neutron gun now. Perceptor, I can see the Ark just ahead. Thank the Matrix, it's still standing.
Be careful approaching the neutron gun controls, Optimus. Decepticon troops have overrun the
Upgrading my systems can help you.
area.
Roger that.
You still have control over the city's artillery. A strike should help clear the way.
Artillery online.
What was that noise?
Impressive, Optimus.
Save the praise for when we get out of this. You guys don't even work.
Food.
Must hurry to the neutron gun controls.
I'm on it, Preceptor.
Optimus, I'm reading more Decepticons on the other walkways.
Right for the wall, you idiots! We can take him!
The scientific term for that is pulverized.
Sender, I found the neutron gun controls.
But not talking.
You did it, Prime. The neutron gun is activating.
Fox betrayed him. Oh my god. That's a big gun. So big.
Targeting systems won't respond, Optimus. You'll have to fire it manually. I'm uploading coordinates to an access panel now.
Sideways door.
Artillery online.
Optimus, this is Ironhide. My team and I are pinned down at the Earth's fueling station. Patience, Ironhide. These systems have been offline for thousands of... We'll need the details. Just tell us how to fix it.
Ironhide's right, Perceptor. We don't have much time.
Yes, keep moving, Optimus. You should see the manual controls shortly. Optimus, the entire Decepticon army is knocking at my door. Where is that support?
Hang on, I'll save ya. With this big fucking gun. Motherfuckers! Get it, bitch.
I've got your range.
Get it, bitch.
I don't have the firepower to stop
Get
those
it,
things.
bitch.
Then you're lucky I do.
Can you die, please? Get it, bitch. Get it, bitch. Get out of the troops. Bitch. Goodbye to all your troops,
Get
second
it, more
creeps.
tanks rolling in.
Not for long.
Optimus, those Decepticon tanks are tearing us apart. The fueling station can't take any more hits.
Well, these things are really fucking hard to kill. Damn it. Die. Come on, one more. Love it. Freaker.
Optimus, the entire Decepticon army is knocking at my door. Where is that support?
Hang on, old friend. I've got your range.
Optimus, I don't have the firepower to stop those tanks.
Then you're lucky I do.
Get it, more tanks rolling in!
Not for long.
Those Decepticon tanks are tearing us apart! Optimus, enemy dropship coming your way!
Something's wrong. The neutron gun isn't working.
Isn't what? You're out of energy, Optimus!
Then you need to find more, Perceptor. I'm heading back to you.
Optimus, my readings just spiked. What happened?
The door shut on its own.
Where are you going? That area doesn't even appear in the schematics. Optimus, you're breaking up. Optimus!
Whoever you are, I can feel your presence through the Matrix. I ask you. No, I order you. Help us in this dire time of need.
Metroplex heeds the call of the last blood.
Optimus, what just happened?
Easy, Perceptor. He's one of us.
Awaiting your orders.
Metroplex, you must destroy the Decepticon warp cannons on the outskirts of the city.
Alright guys, in this
The Archons have
episode,
come apart.
I will see you all next time. Bye.